Jaws Jr. here for another in-shop adventure inside the world headquarters of Jaws Jr. Entertainment, also known as The Shop. Well, today I thought I would take on another polishing task. Nothing as big as what it was last time, where I took that entire big, large piece of petrified wood and polished it with a bunch of these. So what I'm going to do differently today is I've got a piece of agate mounted up here in a vise, and as you see, it's not that big. It's only about 2.5 by roughly 3.5. So it's not nearly as big as the one last time. I'm going to use the same technique, but this time I've got something just a little bit different. So you wonder what's different? Yeah, these are still the same type of discs, but these ones here are brand new. I was able to order these off AliExpress for, I think they were $16.95, and I had a $4 off coupon because I was a first-time customer. So it came with 30 and 50. Not only that, it came with two 30 and 50 grits. 100, 200, 400, 800, 1500, 3000, and a 6000, as well as a base plate. Although this one did not come with the adapter. This face here will not fit on most angle grinders, but I'm lucky enough to have one that does. And I've done some new wiring to it as well. So, but with this on it, screwed in, then the thread pattern will fit most angle grinders. But since I already have an angle grinder that this can fit on, that's what we're going to do. And again, just like before, we're going to get this wet, and then we're going to go over it. And spend a lot of time on the 30 and 50 grits. And then all we're trying to do from there is remove the scratches from the 30s and 50s with 100. And then we just work our way up all the way to the end. And just like before, spraying water on it. So, we'll see how well this works, because I want to be able to show other people that if you have even smaller slabs, or something that's smaller like this here, and this here is like 1.5 inches thick. So if you've got something that size or even smaller, that you can mount it up into a vise using some wood to dig into it until this is nice and solid, and go to town. And one nice thing is if you mess this up, you can always put this back in a slab saw or a trim saw and cut off the edge or cut off the face that you screwed up on, and then continue on again. So that's one nice thing about what I'm doing here. Good practice, and since I'm practicing, I might as well show everybody else what I'm doing. Okay, we're taking a break here. This is at 800. Not too bad. You can still see a lot of scratches down here. There's some swirl marks right there. Right in here. Okay, here you go, everybody. There's what we have. And you can really see the detail in it now. Okay, and there's the back side of it. That's the way it was. And there's the way it is now. Big difference. Now it could definitely use some more work, but you know, for 15 minutes of time, that's not too bad. I'm sure if we had a flat lap so you can see the reflection, you could see your reflection there since you're there in the camera. So if I did this on a flat lap, I'm sure I could do a little bit better job. But this here, I learned a lot in this short few minutes. Those pads do not like getting hot. I think I might have messed one up. So, definitely much improved from that. So there you go, everybody. Not too bad for 15, 20 minutes worth of work, plus taking a break in there. So I went from that to that. Not too bad. Definitely you can see the color a lot better than what you can there. And that's why I picked this rock here. I'm not even sure what it is. It's probably an agate quartz. Could be moss agate with some host rock. Not sure. Sorry, we got a yellow jacket buzzing around here. So, this is why I picked this one, is so I could spin it and show you the before and the after. So there you go. Another polishing opportunity, a reasonable success. I'm happy with that. It's got a little bit of cloudiness to it, but nothing like what I was expecting. It's a much better. So, just remember, with a few hand tools, a cheap used grinder, and pads that I was able to pick up for 12 bucks, 13 bucks, I was able to do that. So remember, everyone's life is an adventure. Then there's mine. Polishing rocks on the cheap. This This is the Adventures of Jaws Jr. Have a good one, everybody. See ya!